Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. In this lesson, we will learn about solids. Okay, first of all, if we talk about solid, what comes to your mind? Of course, we imagine the hard matter like stone, right? Sugar, right? Okay, in our world, there are many different types of solids. For example, some solid like an iron and aluminium. Okay, as we can see here, they are hard and metallic. And some solid like sugar or salt, they are crystalline and easily broken. Other than that, we also have rubber and plastics that are soft and amorphous. So from here, we know that different type of solids will have different properties. Okay? Okay, now we go to the types of solid. The most fundamental distinction between type of solid is that some are crystalline solid, okay, and others are amorphous solid. So, from here we can say that the major type of solid is crystalline and amorphous solid. Okay, now we go to the crystalline solid. Crystalline solid are those whose atoms, okay, ions or molecules have an ordered arrangement extending over a long range. Okay? This order on the atomic level is also seen on the visible level because crystalline solid usually have flat faces and distinct angles. Okay? As you can see here, this is the crystal known as amethyst. Okay? This crystal has flat faces and distinct angles. Okay? These regular microscopic features reflect a similarity ordered arrangement of the particles at the atomic level. Okay. Another type of solid is the amorphous solid. Okay. Amorphous solid is also known as the non-crystalline solid. Amorphous solid is contrast with crystalline solid. Okay, in amorphous solid, the constituent particles are randomly arranged and it is no ordered long-range structure. Okay, and the example for the amorphous solid is rubber. Okay. Okay, now we see the different within the arrangement of the molecules inside the crystalline and amorphous solids. You can see here, the entities of a solid phase in crystalline solid is arranged in regular and repeating pattern. You can see here, this is the regular and repeating pattern. While for amorphous solid, it is arranged randomly. Okay? And metal and ionic compound typically will form with order of crystalline solid. And the substance that consists of large molecules or a mixture of molecules who are the movement are more restricted always form as the amorphous solid. For example, candle wax are amorphous solid and composed of large hydrocarbon molecules. Okay, this is the amorphous solid. Okay. Okay, now I want to show you the example of a substance that can form either in crystalline or amorphous solid. Okay, and it is depend on the condition under which the substance is produced. Okay, for your information, an amorphous solid can also undergo a transition to a crystalline solid state under the appropriate conditions. Okay, you can see here, this is the molecules of silicon dioxide, okay, and silicon dioxide is the substance that abundance in nature, and it is one of the several crystalline form of the mineral quartz. Okay, you can see here the arrangement of the silicon oxide is silicon dioxide is in crystalline state. Okay, you can see here it is well arranged in regular and repeating pattern. Right? Okay, now then we rapid cooling of the molten silicon dioxide. Okay, and it will yield an amorphous solid, and it is known as the fused silica. You can see here the arrangement is become randomly arranged. So now we know that silicon dioxide can form either in crystalline or amorphous solid, but it is depend on condition of the production of the substance. Okay. Crystalline solid can further characterize or categorize, okay, as ionic solid, molecular solid, covalent network solid, and metallic solid. Okay, and we will discuss this, okay, this categorize of the crystalline solid on the next lesson. So, that's all for this lesson. Thank you so much and stay tuned.